Hi everyone, I'm in the middle of my housework and I just thought I'd come and show you this tip. I love using my microfiber towels and they are chemical free, so mainly just water. However, I do love the smell of Dettol. Now this bottle is pretty old. I wouldn't use it on people because it's been 2019. So what better way rather than waste it, put it in your water to use with your microfiber cloths. So I'm going to put some water in here. What better bucket to use for a little cleaning bucket? Microfiber cloth. So I've got my back to you. It's a bit hard over the sink. And then just probably, I don't know, about a tablespoon, maybe a bit more, whatever you think. That's going to be my cleaning Dettol, and I do love the smell of it. Make your house nice, smell nice and fresh, as well as disinfect your benches and surfaces. So all good. I'll get cleaning.